How to change language on Clash of Clans step by step. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Clash of Clans application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, you'll be landed into the homepage or user interface of Clash of Clans, something like this as you can see on the screen. Here on the top left corner, you can see the gear icon, which is a settings icon, so just tap on it. And as you see, there's different options for music, sound effects, language, Supercell ID, Google Play sign-in, and help and support. So since we want to change the language, all you have to do is tap on the language option, and here you can see there are different options over here. You can select any one of these that is more convenient for you. So you can just select any of this language. I'm going to tap on English over here and then go back, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.